we'll be putting together the LiberNovoOmni chair received from Hong Kong. This is the central remove cap before installing. LiberNovo. How to assemble the chair. Here's the battery. USB-C charging. I'll charge that now. And then a Kickstarter started up. And that's how I heard of it. About $701 shipped. First step was to take this and turn it upside down. Put in the caster wheels. It goes in with no pressure. Just push in. So no mallet required. This plastic looks like almost a 3D printed, something between polypropylene and polycarbonate. So there it is. Fairly, not polycarbonate, not a cracking. Next step, this. Boom. Next step, the back. The base. Very heavy. Lithium grease on it. USB-C plug-in for the battery. These are the 4 screws of one type, 1 screw of another type. This type of screw. This. It's nice and firm. Next, line seat with base. Charcoal desiccant. This was a pain in the ass build. And the steel IKEA what we were going to use as shoe cabinets are now all together.